Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We're just getting ready now for the FOMC report because the markets go quiet tomorrow. There's hardly anything happening tomorrow, so there's not much going on, but the next big thing changes everything. That's on Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. Central Time. Someone just asked in the chat what time zone 3 p.m. I see someone just said that in the chat a few moments ago. What time at 3 p.m.? It's in your time zone. Everything's in your time zone. So if you look below the video, just to make it nice and straightforward for you, if I go over to where you're watching right now, and I go to the home page of the channel, you will see what's coming up next is our hims and hers earnings. After this, you can see I'm live right now, and if you click on it, it'll tell you scheduled for May the 5th, 3:30 p.m. It will tell you in your time zone, so everybody knows when we're happening in your time zone. I'm always live at the same time, so you'll always know. You can rely on me consistently. I've been here for 4 years, every day, 12 hours a day, every trading day, never miss, opening bell, closing bell, always here, all day, every day. But each event is in your time zone. So there is the event. If you click on it, or any event that's posted, it'll say, there you go, it'll count down live in 85 minutes, 3:30 p.m. That's my time. It'll tell you your time, so you always know when we're live. And also, of course, we post it on all of our socials as well in advance, so everybody knows. Here are all the links for the socials. There's X, Instagram, Discord Premium now is only available, Discord Premium, and that's how you become a member, get all the benefits and so on and so forth. Here is my X account, and as you can see, if I refresh the screen on X, you will see the event for now is advertised. Hims and hers is advertised. There's the link. Everything is posted ahead of schedule. There's all our Warren Buffett events we just did today as well, so you can see how that works. All right. There you go. I just wanted to answer that question. Now, we're only going to be here for 10 minutes because we've been live for 6 hours already. I mean, in fact, more than that, like 7 hours, covering Warren Buffett's farewell speech. So we've been covering that all day today. But what we're doing now is we have a couple of premieres. So first of all, we have this event. If you look at the top, it's called our next world premiere. This goes live in 9 minutes at 1/4 the hour. Again, in your time zone, if you look below the video, it's Vaz's latest video, is latest and best video yet. This is our EVTOL week. We got loads of stuff. This is the next industry we're focusing on after AI. So we're really looking into the opportunities here for EVTOL. So eVTOLs, that's electric vertical takeoff and landing craft. So this is what's coming up next. We've got a big earnings coming up in a few days' time for vertical aerospace. Vaz is covering it, as well as he's covering Archer Aviation as well. So information here you can't miss. That's going live in 8 minutes. The link's in the chat. It'll automatically take you there as well. It's also on the homepage on videos, and it's also on all our social media. There is the link if you can't see it. All right. Now, straight after that, once that's premiered, we have our hims and hers. We were, if you are a member of our channel, there is the link to become a member. If you are a member of our channel for $5 minimum, very often $10 if it's busy, you can request a earnings of your choice. I will cover the earnings. You can also request full analysis on stocks as well. Lots of stuff that's happening after the premiere. The premiere has a link and will take you directly to hims and hers. All right. Now then, tomorrow, what earnings do we have tomorrow? It's the 6th of May tomorrow. And tomorrow after hours, we have Lucid. Unfortunately, one of our members, Denise, just wanted to book. She gave me a super chat a few months ago to book AMD, but it's already booked. You have to check with me first. I appreciate you jumping in quick though, Denise. Unfortunately, it's fully booked. On the 7th, we have Robin Hood. On the 8th, we have Rocket Labs. There's nothing on the 9, 10, 11. That might be the weekend, of course, though. Just saying. 12th, the 12th, looks like it's booked. Yes, that's booked. 13th is booked. So we've got the 14th, 15th, and so it goes on and so on. Now, tomorrow, if you want to book, the 6th, if you want to book the 7th is, no, it's not. No, it's not. The 7th is Robin Hood. Sorry, the 7th is, have we just done earnings? Yes, we just done Robin Hood, haven't we? So the 7th is available. So 7th in the morning, you can have a pre-earnings on the 7th. You've got Uber, Disney, Nordisk, Vistra, first come, first serve. This will be a $5 one because it's not that busy. And then we've got after hours on the 7th. Arm, Melly, IonQ, Oxy. That'll be $10 because there's quite a few top ones there. Joby. Oh, hang on a minute. Joby is... Archie, are you not covering that one? We've got Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation on the 7th. I thought you might cover that one, Vaz. Are you in the chat? There's one you might want to do. Vaz, are you in the chat? No, he's not. Okay. Vaz might miss that one. Okay, let me just message Vaz very quickly. Live on the show. I can call him up. Let's see if he answers the phone. You never know. He might do. Let's see if I can get him on the phone. Vaz, let me just double check if he wants to do it. First come, first serve, of course. Vaz, are you with me? Yeah. Hiya, mate. I'm live on the show. Just calling you up because I got requests coming in for earnings. And Joby Aviation is on the 7th. Did you want to do it?
If somebody wants to do it, I'm not ready for it, but I can get myself ready for it. It would have been rushed, but if somebody wants to do it...
Okay. Okay, only if somebody wants to do it, okay? Yeah, is that the deal? Right, okay. If somebody wants Joby Aviation, this is the 7th. This is on Wednesday evening after hours. I've actually got Vaz on the phone with me right now, but it needs to be a requested one because it's last minute. He's not ready for it, but he will if anybody wants it. If nobody wants it, we won't focus on it. We are covering Archer Aviation. We are covering Vertical Aerospace. But if anybody wants Joby, nobody has booked after hours on the 7th. We have ARM, ARM, APP, Melly, IonQ. That's also popular. There's many others, Symbotic. Joby is just one of them. I just wanted to give it to Vaz as a first opportunity, being one of our broadcasters. All right, so if anybody requests it, Vaz, I'll get back to you. Thank you, mate. Got your premiere in 4 minutes. Go, 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 go. Love it. Okay, live phone call, live on the show. We're not messing around. We've got extra screen down here now. This is another device I've got open down here to be able to talk to my team live on the show. Okay, there we go, another screen. I don't know, 23, 24, the bloody hell cares. And now, once you go past 20, no one's really counting anymore, are they? All right, okay, so we got 4 minutes to go. Let me do the live chat. Let me make sure everyone's here. Hello there, Alex. Second, yes, RB smashed. Hello, Wingo. RB, everyone, evening, everyone. How is your day? You got 9 days left to go now. If you want to get your access to Discord for free, remember you have to have a 3-month badge, and you have to follow the steps. Go into Discord, create a ticket, look in the ticket channel. It tells you exactly what to do. Follow the steps. Very, very simple. It's all automated now. And me and Sensei and Vaz and Alex are on it like you wouldn't believe. All right. So there you go. It's not the same as the premium service. It's not as good. The premium service has been a lot better, but it is free. And I said we would always give the free service. Nothing is taken away, by the way. We're just adding more to the premium service. I always said I would make sure that all my members were taken care of. My founder members would never lose anything. They would get thanked for being members for the longest time. So I've only got 3 minutes left to go before Vaz's premiere, so let's get straight into it. Okay, prepare for the FOMC report. Fed policymakers expected inflation to be pushed higher this year due to impact of elevated tariffs, though they acknowledged considerable uncertainty around the magnitude and persistence of these effects. Minutes from the last FOMC meeting in March 25 showed. At the same time, the majority of officials highlighted the possibility that inflationary pressures pressures from various sources could prove more persistent than previously anticipated. Nearly all participants view inflation risk as tilted toward the upside, while risk to the employment was seen as skewed to the downside. The Fed kept the federal funds rate unchanged, 4.25 to 4.5. Now, we are covering the Fed report on Wednesday. Of course, you don't want to miss it. We're going to be live for that on Wednesday. So I'm going to give you the link for that later on, not now. We're going to send you to Vaz's show. That's coming, the report. I've also got this here, the NASDAQ and the S&P Dow look for direction as investors wait for Fed's upcoming rate decision. That's why the markets are just going nowhere today, up and down around the same trend line. And we are covered. There's nothing tomorrow. Everything's going to be sideways action until Wednesday. Of course, we're going to cover it all for you. We've got a premiere about to go live in just a couple of seconds. The premiere is this. It goes live in 60 seconds from now. Great stuff. Let me cover all the questions. Let me have a look. Sorry, Lucy's already booked. Yes, no problem, says Denise. Amanda, you now know how the times work. Hi, RB. Hi, Wingo. Great to have you here. 3 p.m. Yes, that's correct. Hello, hello, hello. How are we doing? Lestin Win. Great to have you here. Henrik, good to have you here from Denmark. Stu, XRP and Quant to the QNT to the moon. He says, no more phone-ins after the bacteria pudding. Yes, more phone-ins. Hey, Martin, I'd like to pre-market. Pre-market. Okay, FC Caban, the 16th. Let me have a look. 16th is available. So if you do a super chat, you'll have to be quick. Otherwise, it'll go on to tomorrow. The 16th. What's happening? There's nothing there. You can book it. Let me see if it's a $5 or $10. On the 16th, you are looking at UAMY. It looks like a regular day to me. Oh, there's a lot going on here. Bloody hell. There's a lot going on. To guarantee you, you should do a $10 super chat, but if you're first in, you might get it for $5. We got plug power. We got plug power in the morning. UAMY. We got a lot. Yeah, I'm going to say $10. I'm going to say $10 because we'll have a lot of requests for Petrobras, Plug. We might get Home Depot. You have to be quick on that one. It's first come, first serve. I would say $10. XCN, please. You've got to be a member to do it. Are you doing AMC? AMC, no, AMC is not booked. AMC is not booked, but you're not a member, so you can't request it. It's a membership link. There's the membership link if you want to request it. Okay. When is the ASML scheduled? I can't check that for you now. We're going over to a world premiere. I will check it. I might just get it in quickly for you. ASML is July the 16th. You've got plenty of time for that one. All right, there it is. Okay, we're now going over to the world premiere. The link is in the chat. It'll take you there automatically. Please do join us. This will take you directly to the Hims and Hers earnings. There's the link in the chat. Oh, there we go. UAMY pre-market.
Carbon donated $5 through a super chat.
What date was that? You didn't write what date that was. I need it again. I can't search it back. 16th of May. Okay, 16th. I'm trying to get this done for you. Bloody hell, 16th. 16th. UAMY. 16 UAMY. How long have I got? 59 seconds. UAMY. That's booked. Pre-market. Okie dokie. I've got it. UAMY 16th pre-market. Done. A code for Mike has, oh my God, running out of time, 30 seconds. Has Mike created a code? Yes, he has. Let me give Mike his code. There's his code. If you jump into the premiere, I can do it, Mike. There it is. Mike's done it. Okay, we now got the premiere. 30 seconds to go. Jump in the premiere. It'll take you there live right now. In the live chat, Mike, I can upgrade it if you give me the code. That's it from me. Straight after that, hims and hers. Join Vaz now in the chat for a live premiere. Then hims and hers. And then more, much more. Bye-bye for now.